Hi, good afternoon. This is Gaëtan. Today we're doing tomato sauce. So I'm going to use one pot, like a pan like this. Why I'm using that instead of a pot is because we want to have a maximum of evaporation. And since you have a very wide opening and a very wide surface, the evaporation will be faster than if you have a pot which is very narrow and high, and then you wait and wait and wait until the water evaporate, and that can create some deposit at the bottom, some caramelization in the bottom of the pot. In this case, we are going to control the temperature. I just turned on the heat, and I'm going to proceed with very few ingredients. So we put onions, and the idea there with the onions is to create one layer. And the word layer is a key word in this recipe. There's no measurement except layer. What I say layer, I mean by that you have to have enough onions to cover from edge to edge the bottom of your pan here. Why I'm doing that is because it's simple, it's efficient, and we want to create a sauce which takes between 15 and 20 minutes to prepare, and we want to have it done very quickly. So first thing, the onions, you hear the sizzling of the onions. Same idea here. I will add garlic, edge to edge. I'm not putting a layer of garlic, but I'm putting enough garlic to cover from edge to edge. So there's plenty of garlic in that. That's the equivalent of about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic that I slice very thinly. The next thing is basil, and I'm using dry basil. Why dry basil? Because in the case like this, it's more efficient in terms of flavor to have dry basil. Another thing I'm doing, I'm taking the basil, dry basil, pinch it, basically reduce that to a very fine powder. And again, I'm making sure I have basil from edge to edge. Herbs we use contain aromat. Aromat, this is where the flavor is coming from. When garlic, basil, onions flavor merge together, it's a very, very unique smell. Yesterday my neighbor passed by and said, "Oh, it smells very good in your place," not knowing what I'm doing. So we're looking for the onions to be translucent. In French we say translucide, translucent. What I have here is the equivalent of a 1 medium-sized onion that I have diced. At this stage the smell is absolutely fantastic. Next ingredient, tomato, pomodoro di Roma. Maddalena, let me know if my Italian is okay if I say pomodoro di Roma, if it's a proper pronunciation. Basically, it's a plum tomato. Skin has been removed. They have been cooked slightly. They come with some of their own basil, you see, fresh basil in a can. I put enough pomodoro tomato in there to cover edge to edge. I reduce slightly the tomato. Now I'll reduce the heat to medium high, medium low I mean. If you notice, I have drained the tomato, and I want to have the control on how much moisture, wetness I have in the sauce. If I see the sauce coming dry too quickly, I will add some of the water. Meanwhile, the smell is absolutely fantastic. I will add some water, some of the tomato juice. Now I see everything is smooth, happy, enjoying themselves. Okay, you bring everything to a boil. You will need to add salt. Again, from edge to edge, salt and pepper. A little bit of mix. And your sauce is ready. It's just a matter of being patient. You can serve it as is with your pasta or with other vegetable. You can mix that for a ratatouille or you can mix that for a lasagna. This is ready to be used. Very simple. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your liking. See you soon. Ciao.